In this video clip, I will be discussing how to set your proper amperage. When you're setting the amperage on your welder, this welder has a turn dial with a pointer that will tell you what amperage you will be welding. A lot of people ask me what amperage is best, and it really depends on the thickness of your metal as well as what size electrode. Typically the amperage is first set by the electrode size. So with this particular electrode, it has a diameter of 1/8 of an inch. So with a diameter of 1/8 of an inch, you want to take the decimal equivalent and set your amperage at that. So the decimal equivalent is 0.125. So you would want to set your amperage at 125. Now, once you start welding, if it's not turning out how you want it to, you can always raise and lower that amperage until you get the type of weld that you want.